So I have started to print these shapes to be casted in lead later on in a sand caster, and I've had a little bit of a setback. I let the second half of this print run overnight, and I have come back to this. It looks well and truly broken. So I think I have a little bit of fixing to do before I can move forward. It'll be interesting to see the video capture of what's happened, if that video has been rolling, so I might be able to identify where it went wrong. Anyway, onwards and upwards. It has created this lovely little sculpture where the plastic cover for the actual nostril, whatever you want to call it, has been completely melted into this lump. So yeah, potentially I should be happy that it didn't catch fire.